You had the meeting, everyone agreed. So, why hasn't anything changed? You can make a decision in a conversation and still, at the end of the week, be wondering why has nothing moved. Most leadership decisions do not fail because they were wrong. They fail because clarity was assumed. Leadership often starts with attention. It becomes visible in how we respond, and it is felt most clearly in what happens. Today, I want to talk about decision making not as authority or speed, but as the moment where conversations either turn into action or quietly fade. Leadership work often starts with attention, where you are present. It shows up in how you respond under pressure, and eventually it shows up in outcomes. Decision making is what presence looks like at the end of a conversation. Decision making is not about moving fast, and it is not about getting agreement. Many leaders believe a decision is made once everyone nods. But nod is not the same as agreement, and agreement is not the same as commitment. A decision only exists when someone knows what happens next and when. Think about a conversation that felt productive. The discussion was good, people contributed, there was good environment, there was alignment. Someone said, "Yes, let's do that." And then the conversation ended. A few days later, the same topic comes back. Nothing has moved. Everyone feels slightly frustrated, not because people did not care, but because the decision never crossed the line from discussion to action. Decisions usually break down in the final moments when agreement is assumed, conclusion is assumed, ownership is assumed, next steps are vague, timelines are implied, not stated. Presence slips right before it matters most. Leaders move on believing clarity exists. Others leave hoping it does. Strong decision making is often very quiet. It sounds like one simple question asked before the conversation ends. What happens next and who owns it? That question does not slow things down. It prevents rework. It replaces assumption with clarity. Here is today's one daily action. Before closing one discussion today, pause and ask what happens next, and who owns it, and when should it be done? Then stop. Decision making improves when clarity is created at the end, not assumed in the middle. Thank you.